Today we're playing Go Tell Aunt Rhody.
Hello, and welcome back to my friend Izzy. I'm your horse, Izzy. Let it go, can't hold it back anymore.
Whoa. Wes, what are you doing? This is my show, and it's host, not horse.
All right, I'll be back soon.
Okay, Elsa. Hi, everyone. Welcome to my friend Izzy. I'm your host, Izzy. I can't wait to introduce you to my friend and cousin, Kara. But right now, we're going to play Go Tell Aunt Rhody. Let's all get our violins and play together. Thanks for getting your violin. We are playing Go Tell Aunt Rhody. Let's play together. How did it go? Did you know Go Tell Aunt Rhody is another folk song? That means people have been playing this song for hundreds of years. Oh, my composer hotline. I bet I know who this is. Hello? Oh, hello, folks. It's the folk song people. Yes, it is very important to keep our bows in the road. We will keep our eyes on that. Thank you very much for the tip. Goodbye. The folk song people reminded me on how important it is to keep our bows in the middle of the road. Of course, we don't want to play up here, nor down here, but we want to play right in the middle of the road. I call it the sweet spot. What do you call it? Those are all good names. Let's play Go Tell Aunt Rhody again. This time, make sure you keep your bow in what I like to call the sweet spot. Let's play together. Did you keep your bow in the sweet spot?
Excuse me!
Would you stop doing that?
I have a very important announcement to make.
Are you finally going to play with us?
No! It's much more important than that.
Well, go ahead.
My name is Wesley, and I died a few days ago. But I am now a demigod. I'm called John Cena, and he's very, very upset with me.
That's your announcement?
Yes, and now I will be leaving. Goodbye.
All right, now it's time to meet my friend and cousin, Kara. Let's meet her. Hi, as you know, I'm here to interview my friend and cousin, Kara. Here we go. When did you start playing the violin?
When I was 3.
What book are you in?
Book 1.
Just like you guys. How old are you?
7.
What song are you learning to play?
Minuet.
Oh, I like that song. What other kind of music do you like?
Country and pop, because I like country a little more better because you can play the guitar, and I'm learning how to play the
Ooh,
guitar.
guitar is a fun instrument. What is your favorite Suzuki song?
Gavotte.
I like that song too. What do you like about playing the violin?
You get to swing your head around and dance to it.
Yeah, I like dancing too. You can also have fun with that. Do you have any practice games you like to play?
Yes, so you either pick 4 or 5 pennies to get there, and if you're on a bigger song, you have to have 6 or 7.
Okay.
So and then after you get 6 or 7 or 5 or 4, then you get pennies. Then you get a lollipop with gum in it, or a starburst if you want a starburst.
That sounds good right now, doesn't it? So you basically earn some pennies to get a treat?
Yes.
Oh. Well, there you have it. My interview with Kara. See you later. It's so much fun having friends to play with. Would you like to play Go Tell Aunt Rhody one more time with me and Kara? Let's play together. Thanks for playing with us. We are having so much fun. We hope you are too. Please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't hit that subscription bell yet, now's a good time to do so. Also, leave a comment and let us know which Suzuki folk song you like best.
Hey, Teresa, can you tell John Cena to get on this phone?
Hey, that's my composer hotline.
Yeah.
See you next time. Bye for now.